Hello my sweet viewers, you are most welcome back to the channel and you are welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be showing you a simple remedy which will help you get instant relief from cough, flu and sore throat. Yes, so the first ingredient we need is an orange and the second ingredient we need is honey. Honey is a time-honored remedy for a sore throat and it is also used to relieve cough more effectively. The third ingredient we need is lemon. Lemon and an orange are citrus fruits, and citrus fruits contain high levels of vitamin C. This help to decrease inflammation and boost immunity, which may help to fight cold. So my sweet viewers, continue watching up to the end and you see how I really make this simple remedy to relieve cough, flu and sore throat in only 2 minutes.